With this project, we've been working with Rochdale Borough Council. We're currently in their Riverside building. This is only one of 70 locations that we'll be rolling out the machines to. This is possibly the largest project I've worked on, and it has gone very well so far. The key things was it was going to integrate seamlessly into the council's workflows, and with them going down the Epson route with the sustainable printers and energy saving, we've managed to work with them bang on to get all their requirements sorted out.
There's a lot of hidden costs to printing that people don't think about. As soon as you start factoring in the energy, especially with today's energy prices, it makes a huge impact. It's the core differentiator with Epson technology is our precision core print head. It's a unique piece of technology and it's not licensed out. It's made purely by Epson and used only in Epson devices. That technology, which allows us to use less energy because of the lack of heat in our solution and far less moving parts, means high reliability. The other thing they're going to see is a large cut in waste usage. So a lot of laser printers have frequent replacement parts in their toner bottles. They also have things like transfer belts, drums, the fuses that all need replacing. With the Epson solution, we have inks and we have a waste box, that is it. And that's all fully recycled and repurposed as well. So the savings that can be had, especially on a larger print fleet, such as the one at Rochdale Council, it can be absolutely massive. And then coupled with the consultancy that Sensible Choice are able to offer, it just makes the process of switching over extremely smooth.
I'm quite confident once this project is complete, we'll be definitely in the running to work with other councils in the North West and hopefully beyond.